Hi guys, welcome to the Afro Hero channel where we talk about everything cars, from car sales to car repairs to car maintenance, virtually everything you need to know about your car. If you just got your car newly, if you're new to the UK, if you want car maintenance tips, best car brands to buy and all that, this is where you would find that. So today we'll be talking about your brake fluid. Now, how would you know if it's normally? Let me just give you an insight. If you're going to be sitting for your driving test, one of the questions they would ask you, that's the tell me question, that's what they call it. One of the questions they might ask is, how would you know if your brake fluid is low, or if there's any issue with your braking system and all that? So normally the answer would be, you'd see warning signs. The warning light on the dashboard will show that it's going to show you the warning light on the dashboard to either show that your brake fluid is low, or your ABS is faulty, or your brake is bad. So if you take it to the mechanic workshop, they would let you know if it's your brake fluid, or if it's the ABS system, or if it's the brake pad that needs changing. So but today we'll be talking about your brake fluid. So sometimes it might just be the brake fluid. The warning sign will show on the dashboard to show that your brake fluid is low, and all you might just need to do is do a top up on the brake fluid. Now the problem will always be if your car is like one of the latest cars, like let me break it down. If your car is a newer, it's like a newer model and all that, than the old ones, like, because the experience I had with on the 2007 Vauxhall Antar that we had, it was just walk into the store, buy a brake fluid, do a top up, and all that, yeah, or you take it to a mechanic workshop and they will do the top up for you. But if it's a newer model and all that, old model you still need to do that on the old model, but you need to be very careful. I think that's one of the things that actually messed up the car that we had. So what I would advise is, if you've seen the sign on your dashboard, check the bonnet, open the bonnet, check the level of your brake fluid. So if you check the level of the brake fluid and it's low and it's showing you that you actually need a top up, all you need to do is you either check your car manual, double check to know the one to buy, because every car has got a suitable brake fluid for them. So you don't just go and buy any brake fluid and then just it might mess up your entire ABS system. So you need to buy the recommended brake fluid that your car needs. Note again, the recommended car fluid, and your manual will always tell you the one you might need for that particular car. Yeah. So alternatively, what you could do, which actually works for a lot of people, is you drive into a car shop. So the one I would recommend is Helford's. You just walk in there, or rather you drive in there, and then tell them you want a brake fluid. They would ask you for the car name and model, and they would ask you for your registration details just to double check and then get you the right brake fluid. So for the Toyota CHR, this is one we got. Yeah, like you can see here, it's both written .4. So they've got other brands for different cars. Yeah, so they will tell you the one that is suitable for your car. So just walk into any Halfords store, just walk in there, and then they would, like I said, they would ask you for your car, make, model, ask you for your registration number just to double check, and then they will get you the recommended. And once you get that one, if you still want to double check, if they're giving you the right one, you just compare this with your car manual. Yeah, and if you have a Toyota CHR like this one, it's quite difficult to pour in the brake fluid. I'm going to show you what I mean by being a bit difficult. I'm also going to show you what we did. So what we did was we tried to squeeze this. I'm going to do a practical example of how we did to turn that in. But like I said, the whole idea is just so you don't make mistakes of just going to buy walk into a store and then request for anyhow brake fluids and all that, and then which might cause damage to the entire brake system. So you need to walk in there or check your car manual, have a look, and then know the recommended brake fluid oil. Like I said, if you damage your entire braking system because of the wrong brake fluid, it's going to cost you a whole lot of money. So this will save you money, and it's something you can just do on your own. So all you just need to do is go there, buy it, and then take it home and then fill it up. That's all. You don't need any mechanic. So if you drive into a mechanic workshop and then allow them to help you sort it out, they will charge you money. So this is also going to save you money. All you just need to do is, once you notice the sign on the dashboard, you open your bonnet, double check to see the level of the brake fluid there. If it's gone down, all you just need to do is drive to a Halford store and then request that you want a brake fluid. They would ask you for your details and get you the recommended one, and all you just need to do is top it up. Once you top it up, the lights will go off. The dashboard warning lights will go off. That's just what you need to do. So let me just show you how you do that on like how you do the top up at your engine. Just bear with me. Yeah, so guys, so as I was saying, this is where you pour in your brake fluid. So this is the maximum, the sign is here, and this is the minimum. So once you just get that from Helfors, you don't really need like to take it back to a mechanic and all that. You just need to just get it in and then pour it in. And if you drive a Toyota CHR like this one, you'd notice there's a barrier here. All you just need to do is simply tilt this out and tilt this one out, and then you'd have space here to pour this in. So just tilt this out. It's quite easy to do. Once you tilt it out, you also tilt this one out, raise this up, and then pour in your brake fluid oil. Like I said, that's just what you need to do. So if you double check here, you would see, so you can just unhook this. Have you seen it? You unhook this and unhook this one, and then there will be space here to pour in your brake fluid oil. That's all you need to do. Once you're done, you just simply put it back, and then that's it. Yeah, I will see you guys in the next video, where I'm going to explain a couple of what this other stuff means. Please like and subscribe while we build up this community, and if you have questions, please let us know. We'll answer them. See you on the next video.